जय संस्कार. Next disaster is drought. A drought is very highly destructive hazard, leaving a long-lasting impact. It is connected with water and food, which are very much needed for existence of living organism. The problem of drought occurs in region of monsoon climate, where the rainfall is irregular and very scanty. This is because the agricultural crop, food grains and living organisms depend completely on water. The shortage is created due to water crisis. Under such conditions, heavy damage is done to agricultural and natural vegetation. Earlier, many people died of starvation during drought. But now it has been reduced due to transportation and well-planned management. Drought एक एवी सिचुएशन है कि जे एवा एरिया में थाय जे रेन रेग्युलर ना हो. जो वरसाद न थाय, then it is difficult to grow things. Nowadays there is a transportation of water etc. is very easy, but certain years back people do not have this availability of transportation of water or any other resources. So that is why at that particular time these things which are called a drought was very harmful. People used to lose their life because they were not getting food. What to do? Drip irrigation in agriculture should be intensified. Food rationing and use of water should be planned after estimating their availability. Arrangement should be made to fair price distribution of food grain and relief work. Construction activity should be stopped except for inevitable work. કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનની અંદર બહુ વધારે પાણીની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હોય, ક્લોથ્સની વિવિંગની પ્રોસિજર જે છે, કલરની પ્રોસિજર છે, એમાં બહુ વધારે વોટરની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હોય. સો ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ વર્ક શુડ બી સ્ટોપ્ડ એટ ધ ટાઈમ ઓફ ડ્રાઉટ. વોટર કેટલું આપણી પાસે અવેલેબલ છે ને હાઉ ઇટ શુડ બી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટેડ ઇક્વલી અમોંગ ધ પીપલ, દેટ ઇઝ અ મસ્ટ. નેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ ફોરેસ્ટ ફાયર. A forest fire is a fire which occurs in forest and creates devastation. Except for lightning, all other reasons for forest fire are man-induced. Among them, throwing of burnt butts of cigarette, beedis or much matchstick burning thing left by tourists, pilgrims or shepherds, etc. are the major reason. There are more probability of forest fire occurring during dry season after autumn. At that time, dry grass, shaded tree leaves act as a fuel. This situation is responsible for spread of forest fire. When both wind and inflammable fuel are dry, they form the basis of forest fire, which spread faster during windy days of some temperature and of more temperature and less humidity. Some tree owes out oily and inflammable material, so the fire spreads faster. Once the forest fire starts, it spreads in the direction of wind, advancing at a velocity of about 15 km per hour in all sides. Once it starts, its attempts are not made promptly to use it. The forest fire would stop only under two situations. The forest fire is extinguished completely by itself or due to heavy rain. Due to forest fire, smoke and spark rising high with warm air current create risk of fire among the nearby settlements. So this is a very tough situation. Forest fire is just started by instigated by this nature. શું થાય, બે સૂકા ઝાડવા હોય એકબીજાની સાથે ઘસાય અને ફાયર જે છે એ કેચ થાય, પછી સ્પ્રેડ થવામાં માણસોના નાખેલા બીડીના ઝુંડ ને બાકસની તીડીઓ ને એ નાની નાની વસ્તુએ કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરે. ઓટમનો ટાઈમ હોય કે જ્યારે જનરલી પ્લાન્ટ્સ પોતાના લીવ્સ જે છે વોર્ન આઉટ લીવ્સ એને છોડી દેતા હોય, એ સમય દરમિયાન નીચે બહુ બધો ઢગલો હોય સૂકા પાંદડાનો, અને જો ફોરેસ્ટ ફાયર લાગે તો એક તો હાઈ ટેમ્પરેચર પ્લસ આની ગરમી, અને એના કારણે ટેમ્પરેચર એકદમ રાઇઝ થાય, ત્યાં અંદર ફોરેસ્ટની અંદર રહેતા જીવજંતુ માટે તો એ હેઝાર્ડસ છે જ. ઘાસ જે લીલું કે સૂકું યુઝમાં આવી શકે, એને ફાયર પ્રોડ્યુસ કરવા માટે યુઝ કરી શકાય એવું બધું લાકડું બળી જાય. નંબર ઓફ animals or birds do die because of this fire. એની આજુબાજુમાં કોઈ રહેતું હોય તો એને પણ હાર્મફુલ થાય. તો આવી આ ફોરેસ્ટ ફાયર, what to do? Act according to the instruction from forest department. Arrange special patrolling in forest during dry season. Employees of forest department should be trained for extinguish forest fire. What not to do while traveling through forest? Do not throw burning bidi or other heighted things. People living in settlement near forest area should not ignore the instruction from the forest department. Okay, so શું કરવું જોઈએ કે આપણે ફાયર કેચ થઈ તો આપણને કોઈ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન મળે છે, ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શનને ફોલો કરો, પેટ્રોલિંગ કરવાનું. આપણી આજુબાજુમાં જો ફોરેસ્ટ છે તો આપણે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ધ્યાન દેવાનું, ત્યાં કાંઈ ફાયર કેચ નથી થતી, બહુ નાના એવા એક્સટેન્ટમાં હોય ત્યારથી જો આપણને ખબર પડે તો ફાયર એક્સટિંગ્વિશરની હેલ્પ લઈ અને આપણે એને સ્ટોપ કરી શકીએ. અધરવાઇઝ ફોરેસ્ટ જે એરિયાને કહેતા હોય એ એરિયા બહુ મોટો હોય, જો એક વખત સરખી આગ કેપ્ચર થઈ જાય તો વિન્ડની સ્પીડ સાથે એ વધારે ને વધારે સ્પ્રેડ થાય રાખે. તો કોશિશ કરવાની કે નાની એવી હોય ત્યારથી જ એને સ્ટોપ કરે. જે લોકો ફોરેસ્ટ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટની અંદર વર્ક કરે છે અને ફાયર એક્સટિંગ્વિશની ટ્રેનિંગ પણ આપી શકાય. સો ધીઝ આર ધ થિંગ્સ વિચ કેન બી ડન. Man induced disaster. These all before were nature induced, this one is man induced disaster. Those events which take place directly or indirectly, knowing or unknowingly, done by man, unawareness or ignorance and failure of human machinery, etc., which cause heavy damage to human life, property, are called man-induced disaster. In the first one is industrial accident. In industrial township means factories, etc., there is a chance of accident even after enough precautions are taken. Such accidents result into death of people, livestock and damage to property. Besides, the environment is also affected badly. Human errors are at the best of the industrial accident. Men undertake the management and care of various machines of industrial processes and collection, transfer and distribution of manufactured goods. At every stage, an accident cannot be ruled out. Industrial accidents that is because of lack of knowledge or it occurs accidentally, so you cannot do anything, precautions or kind of thing. It is because of human error or machines misfunction or something like that. So in industrial area nothing is pre-planned error. This accidents occurs suddenly and affects lots of people who are living around, animals and birds too. Bhopal gas tragedy. Union Carbide, located at Bhopal, which is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, used to produce insecticide. In process of production of poisonous gas, mice were used. These gas was stored in large tank. In early morning of 3rd December 1984, the poisonous mice gas started leaking from the tanks, which lasted for about 40 minutes. Due to this event, which took place early in the morning, gas spread quickly over the densely populated area in Bhopal. According to official figure, about 2,500 people died and thousands of residents in Bhopal were affected by this poisonous gas. Besides people, the gas also killed thousands of birds and animals. Drinking water, reservoir, land, unborn babies, newborn babies, pregnant women were victims of its adverse effect. While 10,000 people become handicapped permanently, 1.5 lakh people were handicapped partially. સો ભોપાલ ગેસ ટ્રેજેડી, માઇક ગેસ જે છે એનો યુઝ કરવામાં આવતો હતો, કાર્બાઇડ યુનિયન કરીને એક ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી હતી એની અંદર. સો આ ગેસ પોઈઝનસ હતો, ખબર હતી, ટેન્કની અંદર ફિલ કરીને રાખવામાં આવતો હતો. એની એની અંદર લીકેજ થઈ, વહેલી સવારની અંદર 40 મિનિટ માટે એ ગેસ જે છે એ લીક થઈ ગયું. કોઈનું ધ્યાન ન પડ્યું કે આ ગેસ લીક થાય છે, અને એટલી બધી હેઝાર્ડસ ઇફેક્ટ જે છે એ તમે જુઓ તો 1.5 લાખ માણસો પાર્શિયલી હેન્ડીકેપ બની ગયા. કારણ કે જ્યારે કોઈ પોઈઝનસ વસ્તુ તમારા બોડીની અંદર બ્રીધિંગ થ્રુ પહોંચે છે, સો સાયન્સની અંદર તમે નેક્સ્ટ 10th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડની અંદર સ્ટડી કરશો કે ઓક્સિજન જે છે ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી સેલની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ છે, તો ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી સેલ સુધી પહોંચે એન્ડ ધેન ઇટ કોઝિસ ડેમેજ. જનરલી પ્રેગ્નન્ટ વુમન છે, ન્યૂબોર્ન બેબીઝ છે કે અનબોર્ન બેબીઝ જે મધરના વોમ્બમાં, એને સૌથી વધારે અફેક્ટ કરે. એજડ પર્સન તો સર્વાઈવ જ ન કરી શકે. રેસ્ક્યુ ઓપરેશન ડ્યુરિંગ ગેસ લીકેજ, વોટ ટુ ડુ? Install modern warning system or for getting advance information about gas leakage. Predetermine the high level measure for safety in factory and support it. If the gas leaks during the transfer, the gas tanker should be driven away from human settlement. Observe the wind direction and run into the opposite direction. Do not read breathless, burning eyes, etc. by yourself, but seek medical guidance immediately. Fainted or weak people should be immediately shifted from the affected area. Inform fire brigade and police. Park the vehicle in such a way that they do not obstruct vehicles of rescue operation. What not to do? During rescue operation, persons who are not associated with work should not gather around. Do not enter the affected area till the area gas leakage is declared totally safe by the authorities. Do not join rescue operation without proper training and necessary equipments. So this is a must. If you do not know anything about this particular situation, then you are not supposed to make any efforts, because if you don't know anything, you will end up having your life in some kind of trouble. So yes, in this situation what we can do, we should not have any medication all by ourselves, like I have eye drops, I have this reddening in eye, or my eyes are burning, something like that. So you should not take medicine by yourself. These are the basic things that you must know during this. You try to give away more and more space for people who are coming to rescue you. For please available yourself in such a way that you cooperate them, not trouble them. Okay. Next is viral diseases. Right now we are experiencing one viral disease, COVID, coronavirus. So this is virus spread disease. These are viral disease. When a large number of people over much wider area become victim of any disease, it is called epidemic. People lose their lives due to disease. There is a faster increase in number of patients of viral disease than the general disease. Till today, thousands of people have been victims of disease like dengue, Ebola, swine flu, influenza, etc. These diseases are very much dangerous. In earlier times, lakhs of people were a victim of plague. However, such a deadly disease are controlled now with the help of scientific invention, antiviral vaccine for safety. Along with it, with a new viral dosage disease, those disease which cannot be cured by traditional medicine, there is always a danger of widespread death on mankind. We are observing widespread death already because of this viral disease. During plague epidemic in Surat, September 1994, the recently swine flu and dengue epidemics, many agencies took preventive steps to prevent deaths. Safety remedies against viral diseases. An important step to be safe from viral disease is to be vigilant about the infection. ખબર હોવી જોઈએ, વિજિલન્ટ હોવા જોઈએ કે શેના કારણે સ્પ્રેડ થાય છે, અને એના અકોર્ડિંગલી ફોલો કરવાના ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન. People should acquainted with reasons, results and safety about disease through propaganda and transmissions. Take anti-disease vaccine. arrange for special separate ward for patients' treatment, take steps as per the guidelines and instructions issued by World Health Organization, an international institution to curb viral disease. WHO છે, ઓલરેડી વર્લ્ડ હેલ્થ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન છે આખા વર્લ્ડની હેલ્થનું, તો એ હંમેશા એક પેરામીટર કે સ્ટેપ બાય સ્ટેપ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપશે, લાઈક લોકડાઉનની એક ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી હતી, they will follow that. Terrorist attack. We all know that since last decade of the last century, the terrorist activity in the entire world has become very much weak. In reality, terrorism does not care of any race, community or region. It is enemy of mankind. Immoral, destructive act performed by person or a group is called terrorism. In humans, act like destruction of property, creating atmosphere of fear and thereby draw attention towards their demands. Genocide, abduction, etc. are terrorist weapons. Nowadays, the terrorism has spread in many countries of world. In recent times, perhaps no country is safe from terrorism. Nowadays, if we think terrorism is a hazardous, it is not. One should not connect it with any religion. It is just enemy of mankind. Irrespective of region, race, caste, it affects all the person. Basically, terrorism, by the act of terrorism, they create fear in person's mind, and with that they draw the others' attention on their particular demand. Some terrorist attack of world. This would be in, okay, let's just discuss it. On 11th September 2001, a series of suicidal attacks were made in USA by terrorist organization. About 19 terrorists hijacked 4-passenger jet plane, of which 2 planes were dashed against the Twin Tower in New York City. Due to this, all passengers on board and many people working in this tower were killed within a few minutes. Many people were injured in their house collapse. Of the other 2 planes, one dashed with a Pentagon and other dashed into farm in Pennsylvania. There was no survivor from these 2 planes. In this attack, about 3,000 people were victimized and more than 6,000 were injured. On 13th December 2001, 5 terrorists from one terrorist organization attacked Indian Parliament building and took complex under it, banned by firing without any restraint. Indian army soldiers staked their lives and defied the plan of nation's enemy to dissolve the parliament, which is like holy temple of democracy. About 8 security guards became martyrs and 16 were wounded. On the night of 26th November 2008, a series of bomb blast firing took place near well-known hotel and some important place in Mumbai at a regular interval. About 137 persons were injured. In some well-known hotels, the tourists kept many people under custody. The central government sent 200 NSG, that is National Security Guard commandos, 50 military commandos and 5 battalions to control the situation. After 2 days of struggle, all the terrorists equipped with modern armament were killed. In December 2014, about 141 persons, including 132 innocent students, were killed in a terrorist attack on an army school located in cantonment area of Peshawar in Pakistan. So, these are not only for India, America, Pakistan is also involved in this, is also victim of this kind of terrorist attacks. So this is harmful for everyone. There is various kind of situation is given to you. How many people lost their lives, that is also given to you. What to do in terrorist attack. Inform the police about doubtful behavior of any person. Do not touch anything unclaimed thing, any unclaimed thing in public place such as shopping malls, cinemas, garden, religious place, etc. Cooperate in security check for safety reasons. If you rent your house, register it with the nearest police station. This is required under legal provisions. Public place should be well equipped with CCTV cameras. While traveling in bus or train, if any person is noticed having leaving his luggage behind, inform the responsible authorities immediately. If your neighbor is single, does not mingle with local people, is working on a computer till late night, then inform police about his or her behavior. Inform police about unclaimed vehicles. So generally vehicles છે, કોઈ ટોયઝ છે, કોઈ મલ્ટીપ્લેક્સ છે, એવી જગ્યા કે જ્યાં વધારે લોકો એકઠા થતા હોય ત્યાં આવા કોઈ બોમ્બ પ્લાન્ટ કરવામાં આવે. સો તમને કોઈ ટેડી બિયર મળી જાય, કોઈ ટોય મળી જાય તો એને પાસે રાખી લેવા કરતાં તરત તમે કહો કે આ ઓથોરાઇઝ પર્સન હોય આજુબાજુમાં પોલીસ સ્ટેશન કે ત્યાં કહો બસની અંદર કોઈ પોતાનું લગેજ છોડીને જતું રહીએ તો એના માટે તરત ઇન્ફોર્મ કરો. મે બી ઇટ ઇઝ પોસિબલ દેટ ઇન દેટ લગેજ they are carrying some explosive material. What not to do? Do not accept any goods or parcel from any unknown person. Do not rent your house to unknown person without thorough inquiry about them. Do not sell your home, mobile phone and vehicle to any unknown person. So these are the things which should not be done. Okay. Next is riots. This problem is faced by many countries in the world. If we examine the general characteristics of any riot, it is noticed that most of the person are not aware of root cause or purpose. Their presence is only for crowding or for imitation. Such a crowd which gathers without any common purpose or interest seems to disturb the peace intentionally. Such a riot make administrative setup which is established by law unstable. Sometimes when such a riot take a political color, turn into revolt or are transformed in communal riot. The social well-being and harmony at risk. Innocent citizens have to suffer a lot due to such a riot. Life substance of laborers becomes very difficult. Moreover, a lot of life and property are damaged. It creates a challenge to maintain unity, integrity of nation. So it is necessary to curb the riot through a strong action. રિવોટ્સ એટલે દંગા ફસાદ. જનરલી શું થાય, અનનેસેસરલી લોકો ભેગા થાય, એક પર્સન બીજા પર્સનને કંઈક કે ઓફેન્ડ કરાવે એવું કંઈક કે એન્ડ ધેન ઇટ સ્ટાર્ટ્સ રિવોટ. એક બાજુએથી કોઈક ફાઇટિંગ કે જરાક એવું સ્ટાર્ટ થાય, then it goes on and on, it do not stop. So entirely this kind of situation happens whenever there is a riot. So riot should be suppressed. What to do? Prevent talk which spread rumors and violence. Form peace committee in your residential area and be actively involved in it. Perform civil duties by helping those affected by the riot. What not to do? Do not instrumental in spreading rumors. So don't be remote control, okay? So if someone gives you message or something like that, don't spread it, okay? You should know it is worth spreading or not. Do not violate the instruction or curfew declared by authority to maintain law and